Video rin ako. Dahil dyan.
Hello mga loves! For today's video ay dito tayo sa Okada Manila at itutur ko kayo sa kanilang deluxe room. Later on, we will check also their pool area at kung ano ang mga makakain dito. Tara, let's go!
Oh, it's for a girl. What? Oh, what is that? Ito yung bawal.
It's a deluxe twin room ng Okada Manila. You should request if you want yung may jacuzzi or wala. At mga loves, mas maganda mag-book directly sa kanilang website dahil mas mura. Minsan, it's amounting to 10,000 plus ang kanilang deluxe twin or more. Sabi ng boys ko, parang pang girl daw yung room kasi blush and pink ang mga colors niya. Checkin natin ang room number 1.
21.7 kilograms of...
Wow! Automatic. Dato, halika. Favorite mo to. Favorite part. Wait lang. Okay. Si Dato ang magpatignan mo magiging yung reaction niya. Sige, Dato.
Oh! Oh God! I will poop here every day.
Si Dato ang anak kong CR muna ang tinitingnan sa hotel. Tapos ayan, bibinyagan niya na. Pink talaga ang color scheme ng almost all the rooms ng Okada except for the executive and presidential suite. May iPad na naka-assign sa bawat room at it controls almost everything like your air condition, your entertainment. You can also enter your Netflix account like what I'm doing right now. Sige. This is the dancing fountain in Okada and everyone is welcome to watch. This starts at 6 p.m. and runs every hour.
Thank you for watching the world's largest multicolored dancing water feature, the fountain.
Ngayon samahan niyo ako at i-check natin ang pool area dito sa Coral Wing. Check natin anong makakain dito at gaano kalaki ang kanilang pool.
Dito tayo. Sa pool pa? Let's go.
Okay.
Because ako.
Pwedeng lakarin ito mga loves, pero syempre kung may cart naman na, edi sumakay na tayo para mas masaya.
Okay. Let me say this one time, you make me feel alright. So nice. I know you wanna do more. Say less. You can stay the night. You don't gotta go. We could take this slowly. No need to be lonely. Let me take you on this ride. No need to be shy, girl. Yeah, we in the edge, an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the end, that would be okay. But we in the edge, an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the end, that would be okay. It's in the end.
Oh, by the way, allow me to repeat your order. For your food, you order for 1 creamy mushroom parfait, 1 sinigang, 3 plain rice, 1 cheesecake for New Year po, and for your drinks po, you order for 2 hot cappuccino and 1 Costco Blush po. Alright po, thank you so much po. Is there anything else that I can further assist you with, ma'am?
It's okay.
Alright po, if you need further assistance, you may press the bell button na lang.
Alright.
Thank you po, enjoy for your day.
It's in the end. Yeah. We taking off, I don't mean flight. I got the sauce, you got the spice. Timing an issue with you, it's a virtue. Don't worry about anything, I'm right beside you this night. Comfort like memory, it's you and I. Nobody else, no, I ain't bad at kiss and tell. I wanna get to know every inch of you. Wanna see where you been, where you from. It's on your waist, yeah, now I got a taste. I don't wanna.
Gusto mo ano? Bangus, kuya? O tosino?
Here is their menu at the pool bar of Okada Manila. Isang oras ang waiting time ng pagkain dito sa pool area mga loves, kaya siguraduhin na kapag kayo ay kakain dito, hindi kayo sobrang gutom ha.
Wait, more about this. Bigyan natin.
Kamusta ang food? Masarap mga loves, kaya umulit pa nga kami dito ng breakfast kinabukasan. Alam nyo, yung pastry na complimentary ng coffee, ang sarap. Akalain mo nakaka-float pala si Ursula? Tingnan naman natin ang pool area kapag breakfast time at kung ano naman ang kanilang mga pagkain. Ano kaya itong pa-effect ng asawa ko? Tingnan natin ang final result after a while mga loves. Here is the final result.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved.
Ayan na, nakakagutom na ang mga nakikita natin mga loves. Nakakatuwa kasi ang isang meal nila dito, napakaraming side dishes. May butter and bread, mayroong kasamang egg, pwede kang mamili if sunny side up or boiled, and ayan, ang daming sausawan at mga atsara pa. Indeed, it is a good morning kapag kasama ang pamilya at masarap na pagkain. Dahil Christmas season na nagpunta kami dito sa Okada Manila, ang sarap mag-picture mga loves at syempre ang favorite subjects ko ay ang aking dalawang mga anak, si Raha at si Datu. Of course, hindi rin mawawala ang aming signature pose mag-asawa. At ito ang aming Christmas family picture. Hindi na ako nagbayad ng studio. Yan na ginamit namin mga loves. Thanks for watching mga loves. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For more about Okada Manila, please check this vlog of mine about their medley buffet. Thank you so much mga loves. Mahal ko kayo.